How to password protect a page in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a password or make a private page on your Hostinger website with and also secure it with a password. So the process is going to be very easy. I'm going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and here we have it. Now, what are we going to do basically is to head over the websites in here, click on websites list, and then we are going simply to navigate through the premium website or web hosting. Now, what we're going to do is just select the website that we want to modify or apply the specific adjustment to, like this one. Make sure that you have at least added a domain, so this website is not going to be putting up some problems with the temporary domain that we'll have here. But I'm going to make sure also that we have the official Hostinger icon in here and not the WordPress one. Click on edit website. Then it is going to open up the website editor. From here, we are going to head over the left side of the screen. Basically, we are going to protect one of the pages that will be shown in here, or a link or a whole link, as you can say. So we are going to head over pages navigation. From here, you are going to see the main navigation, also the hidden menus or items from the navigation. You can do the process for all of these. So let's say that I'm going to password protect a page, not a link, but a page. The page is going to be having this icon, and the link is going to be having these two links chained together. So if you are going to click on here, you cannot password protect a link. But when you click on page or the gear icon of a page, you're going to have a large menu and you have here the password protection option. You're going to select it and then you can enable the password and put the password in here. For example, we are going to put here this password. You can see through it and also customize the page navigation, such as the design and also the text. So for design, you can choose, for example, one of the designs that we have put in here, one this of these. Also the text, you can modify them like that. So basically that was pretty much it for this. Also, you can go ahead and have this specific page protected from the beginning by adding a page, for example, from one of the preset pages, like contact page or service pages. You can go ahead and add it, put a name for it. For example, I'm going to put it number 2, have it as password protected, and head over here. So we are going to have the general settings, social image settings, and password. Enable that, put your password, and select the design and also the text showing up. And with that, we have set up the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.